Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location services so apps can read coordinates. This is essential because without it, the phone won't provide GPS fixes. Open Quick Settings or Settings right arrow location and toggle it on. Next, make sure the specific app you'll use has permission. Choose Allow while using the app to limit exposure. Finally, select High Accuracy or GPS plus Wi-Fi plus Mobile. This combines satellite and network data to get faster, more accurate coordinates. Once done, you're ready to open. You now open Google Maps or a dedicated coordinates app to capture the position. Long press the map to drop a pin exactly where you want it. Look at the search bar or pin details to read the coordinates in decimal degrees, or tap to switch to degrees, minutes, seconds if needed. Make sure to use Share Right Arrow Copy or Send to transfer coordinates via message or email. Once done, verify the pin location visually, because small map errors can shift positions by meters. You finish by pasting coordinates into your navigation app or a specialist tool. Ensure you paste the entire string exactly, since a swapped minus sign or comma changes the location. If the phone shows poor accuracy, move outdoors, remove obstructions like thick cases, and wait for a full satellite lock. This improves fixes. If coordinates are incorrect, troubleshoot. Toggle location off and on, reboot the phone, or clear the map app cache. These steps often resolve permission or sensor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.